If you're a Canva user, did you know you can create collaborative whiteboards that you can share with your colleagues and collect all your ideas into one online space? It's really good for CPD sessions, especially over Zoom, where you've got people all over the place and you want to collect their ideas across the Zoom. It's a nice replacement for Zoom whiteboards if you haven't got access to many of those on your Zoom account. Here's what you do. So in Canva, I'm going to click on Create New Whiteboard. And I'm going to put some text on the screen there ready for my meeting. And then when I want to share this with my colleagues, I go up to the share button up here. And at the moment it's set to only I can access it. If I click on that little chevron there, I can change that to anyone with the link can edit. Then I just copy that link. It's copied. I can send that link to anybody through email. I can put that in the chat in Zoom. They can click on the link and they can go straight into this page and they can start to add their content to it. If you're doing that in Zoom or via email, it's easy because it's a bit of a complicated link, but obviously I just click on the link, I don't need to read it. If you wanted to have something a little bit more useful that you were going to read out to the staff in a meeting or put on the whiteboard for them to copy down, you can create a custom link for the session as well. So click on Create Custom Link and you can type in the link here. So something quick and simple like that. I can save and copy that, and then I can put that on the whiteboard and the staff can use that instead. Now when they've done that, your colleagues will see a page that looks like this with all the Canva tools down the side, so they can choose to draw, they can add shapes, and usefully there's a sticky notes button here, so they can click on sticky notes, choose a sticky note, let's choose a green one, put it on the screen, and then they can type in their ideas in here. Nice and easy. Obviously, once you've got this on a screen like this, it's a collaborative space, so anybody can then read what each other has put. We can move these around and we can group ideas if we want to sort of put different kinds of content in the same space. So let's group ideas together. We can click on here and we can add a reaction, so we can give it a thumbs up or a heart, and we can sort of say which ones of these ideas we like. We can also click on here and we can add a comment as well, and your own comments on there. So really nice to collect their ideas. When you have finished the meeting and you don't want any more content to be added to this, you can go up to the share and we can change that access level then from anyone with a link can view. And at that point, the ideas are fixed. Nobody else can add content or delete content, but you can still have it there as a record of what happened in the meeting and people can share. Obviously, you can then download it. It can be downloaded as a graphic, you can download it as a PDF as well, and then that can be put in a folder somewhere and you've got a record of what happened in that staff meeting. So sharing whiteboards in Canva is really easy to do. It's a lovely feature and it's great across Zoom CPD sessions. Hope you found the video useful. I'll do a longer video on Canva whiteboards in the future, but for now, thank you very much for your time. Please remember to like and subscribe if you want more content like this, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers, goodbye.